It is finished. In our lead story today, you'll see that the final nail in the Illinois assault weapons ban has been placed. This will affect numerous people throughout the state of Illinois. Also, we'll discuss a little known fact that the regulatory and governing body regarding the Illinois assault weapons ban has full authority to make changes to the statute annually without approval of the state legislature. But before we move forward, I ask that you please check out our free gun laws guide. Thousands of you have downloaded it. It directly helps this channel grow, and it keeps you educated and trained in all 50 states on gun laws. You'll see that link in the description or in the comment section. Get it. It's free for you. So in our lead story, we see that the Thomas Devore case out of Effingham County has changed. Here is the press release. Devore Office LLC assault weapons ban update. Today, the Effingham County Court dismissed our case in its entirety, which means the temporary restraining order, TRO, is no longer in place. Momentarily, we will be putting out the press release below, which includes the actions that will be taken on your behalf. The fight is not over, said Tom. This will take necessary legal steps that will be outlined in the future. Folks, it is my fear that it is over in the state of Illinois, and it is no longer a right, the Second Amendment, but a privilege that is permitted by a governing body. I acknowledge that this will be going to the Illinois Supreme Court, likely going to take months, if not years, to accomplish. And many folks said, hey, in the comment sections in my last videos, now it's going to DC, the real court, the Supreme Court will fix it. Folks, I hate to say this, but we're putting a lot of faith in our government. And there's another unknown fact by many people that the Illinois State Police, which is the governing body for the Illinois assault weapons ban, has annual authority to make changes to the statute. Every October, the Illinois State Police can add certain firearms, add certain restrictions, add certain tools or parts that they deem to be under the assault weapons ban. I foresee us seeing additives in big numbers coming in the future. I don't know about you, I do find that a bit concerning that a governing body, a regulatory body, is able to add additional rules and regulations without legislature approval. This is kind of like the ATF, the Alcohol, Tobacco, Firearms, and Explosives, being able to add rules. We are treading down a very scary road. Folks, I'd also like to thank you sincerely for all the super thanks and the financial gifts that you guys have given right here through YouTube. You guys are awesome. It helps support this channel, helps me to produce good quality content. And then, of course, I take some of those funds and apply them to my classes where I teach good Chicagoans and others on self-defense. And sometimes I'm able to offer special deals or maybe help somebody out who is financially struggling. So thank you so much for those super thanks. Every one of them count. They make a difference. And from the bottom of my heart, I sincerely appreciate it. It shows me that you appreciate the work that I'm putting forth into this and that you are putting your money where your mouth is in supporting the Second Amendment here in the state of Illinois. Let's face it, in Chicago, it is hostile to the Second Amendment and us trainers who are out there. So I just like to give you a great thumbs up. This channel continues to grow, folks. I sincerely appreciate all the effort, your comments. I'd like to know your thoughts in the comment section on how you feel that the Illinois State Police being able to make any regulatory or governing decisions, additives to the assault weapons ban, whether or not that is appropriate. I'd like to see your thoughts in the comment section. For now, It is what it is. Nothing can be done. Folks will need to register their firearms here in the near future. Remember, read the statute. If you have questions regarding the assault weapons ban, put them in the comment section. Talk to each other so we can create a dialogue, spread good information, and I will be monitoring the comment section in this video to help you out. Again, get your free gun laws guide. Click on the link in the description or in the comment section. Supports this channel as well as helps you be educated and trained. And of course, again, the super thanks and the super chats that you guys have been giving really are awesome, and it's humbling. It's really just a neat experience. So I'd like to thank you for that as well. Those financial gifts really make a big difference. Ladies and gentlemen, you can find me on Rumble, Twitter, TikTok, Facebook. Just search IPAC instructor. If you're on any social media platforms, there's a good chance I am as well. I love you. I thank you. And as always, remain safe.